Welcome to our travel channel. In this video, we're here to help you embark on unforgettable adventures without breaking the bank. Join us as we share valuable tips and tricks for traveling on a budget, ensuring that your wanderlust can be fulfilled without sacrificing your savings. From affordable accommodation options to budget-friendly transportation and money-saving strategies, we've got you covered. Discover how to make the most of your travel budget while still immersing yourself in incredible destinations around the world. Get ready to explore the world without breaking the bank with our comprehensive guide to traveling on a budget. Let's dive in and start planning your next affordable adventure. First up, accommodation. One of the biggest expenses while traveling is finding a place to stay, but there are plenty of affordable options available. Consider staying in budget-friendly accommodations such as hostels, guest houses, or even opting for homestays. These not only offer a chance to connect with locals, but also save you a significant amount of money compared to traditional hotels. Next, let's talk about transportation. Getting around in a cost-effective manner is key to stretching your travel budget. Consider using public transportation like buses, trains, or trams, which are often cheaper than taxis or private transfers. Research local transportation passes or cards that offer discounted rates for multiple journeys. And don't forget, walking or cycling is not only economical, but also allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture and explore hidden gems along the way. When finding your place to stay as well, be sure to think of transportation in close seconds because this too can break the bank if you choose a location too far from transit. Eating out can quickly add up, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice enjoying local cuisine. Look for local markets or street food stalls where you can sample delicious and affordable dishes. Don't shy away from trying the local specialties, as they often offer a more authentic experience without the inflated price tags. Additionally, consider booking accommodations with kitchen facilities to prepare some of your meals, saving you even more money. That has truly been such a financial saver for us in the past, as it helps us eat leftovers from restaurants in a fridge setting, as well as previously mentioned, cook bulk meals for maximum comfort. Another cost-saving tip is to plan your activities wisely. Research free or low-cost attractions and landmarks in your destination. Many cities offer free walking tours, where local guides provide fascinating insights into the history and culture of the area. Take advantage of nature's bounty by exploring parks, hiking trails, or even enjoying a day at the beach without spending a dime. Remember, some of the best experiences in life are absolutely free. Now, let's talk about money-saving strategies. One of the best ways to save on travel expenses is by being flexible with your dates and destinations. Travel during the shoulder season or off-peak periods when prices are generally lower. Be open to exploring alternative destinations that offer similar experiences, but at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, sign up for airline newsletters and follow travel deal websites to stay informed about discounted flights and accommodation offers. Last but not least, it's important to budget and keep track of your expenses. Create a travel budget and stick to it. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. By being mindful of your finances, you can make the most of your travel budget and avoid any unwelcome surprises. And there you have it, fellow travelers. With these tips and tricks for traveling on a budget, you're well equipped to embark on affordable adventures. Remember, exploring the world doesn't have to drain your bank account. By making smart choices, being flexible, and embracing the local culture, you can create unforgettable experiences while keeping your finances in check. So, start planning and get ready for your next incredible adventure on a budget. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos from us. We look forward to showcasing so many more amazing features and details on traveling and look forward to our next adventure together.